Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed trustees, dedicated faculty and staff, and the incredible students at Tilton School, welcome to the ribbon-cutting ceremony for the reopening of East Knowles Hall. Knowles Hall is an integral part of Tilton School's history. It has stood as a symbol of our commitment to education for almost 178 years. The east wing of Knowles Hall, now transformed into modern living spaces, will play a crucial role in preparing students for a world of diversity and change. At Tilton, we understand that lives, like buildings, can also be transformed. All it takes is the right design, a solid foundation, and a willingness to build something beautiful from the ground up. We are blessed to be part of a community that cares and supports one another, a community that builds people up with kindness and strength of character. The renovations of the East Wing of Knowles Hall embody a spirit of leadership, teamwork, and shared sacrifice, all resulting in a brighter future for our school. Now, some of you may know Mr. Heath and see him walking around from time to time, but he's not a person that likes to be in the spotlight, yet he deserves all of our appreciation and our acknowledgement right now.
Some donors who wish to remain anonymous are happy to support a gift to name the East Wing of Knowles Hall in your honor. So, thank you. It's been an honor to be your friend, to know you, to work with you, and what a fitting tribute to a wonderful, impactful man. Thank you.
Students, faculty, and staff, you are the center of our compass. You are why we do what we do. You are the ones who make this experience possible. Thank you for sharing this moment to honor the generations before us, the extraordinary generosity and leadership among us, and to set the stage for the best chapters of Tilton to come. Forever Tilton true.